Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after video for George and Ohio on the Stryker 955. George, here we are at before, pointing at your little dot you had there. 50 watt slug, it's about 7 watts. Hello, get up there about 10, let me roll it all the way down. Alright, all the way down is 1 watt. Hello, swings to 2. You said you need around 4 watts for your amp. So that's about right there. Hello. So it's swinging to 6 watts. 100 watt slug and PEV. Hello. Sitting around 60 watts. Definitely not going to work for your 4-pill. I'm going to roll it all the way up. 50 watt scale. There's about 18. Hello. It twitches for it on average power. Hello. Goes to about 84 on peak. We're going to get that taken care of. We'll be back in a little while. And thanks to modern technology, an hour has passed and we are back. Although it seemed like just a split second to you guys. So, RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. You got it set around 2. Okay? If you remember before, it's swinging forward to 3. Bird average. Hello. Now it's doing 25 bird from a 2 watt carrier. 100 watt slug, PEP. Hello. Over 90 watts PEP. We're going to take and roll this up. Put it there at 5 watts. Hello. 29 bird. 29 bird instead of 10 bird. Peak power. Hello. Still over 90. Gonna take and roll it all the way up. 50 watt slug. Hello. That's a 20 watt carrier. Hello. Swinging to 45. And 100 watt slug. PEP. Hello. Still over 90. Alright, George, it's ready to go for you, bud. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need anything else, give us a holler at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.